Okay, the last part of section 1 and 2 that we're going to talk about is the fact that by comparing a squared and b squared to c squared, not only can we tell if it's a right triangle, but we're going to be able to tell, oh, do we have an acute triangle? Or do we have an obtuse triangle? Okay, so we know this middle one here, if a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we know we have a right triangle. Okay, that one shouldn't be an issue at this point, okay? But what happens if our c squared value is less than a squared plus b squared? Okay, if c squared is less than the sum of the squares of our legs, then we have an acute triangle. Okay, and I want you to think about acute angles are less than 90 degrees. So if our c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, we have an acute triangle. Similarly, if c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, then we have an obtuse triangle. Just like obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so if we look at our examples, the 4 examples right above, well, we know that number 3 is a right. That is a right triangle. Okay, our a squared plus b squared equals our c squared. Okay, but in example 1, well, our c squared here is bigger than our a squared plus b squared. So this is an obtuse triangle. Number 2 here, our c squared is less than a squared plus b squared. So this is an acute triangle. And same thing for example 4, c squared is less than a squared plus b squared. So we have another acute triangle.